Hey everybody. I'm gonna tell you this. If you ever fall, you gotta make sure you pick yourself back up. Doesn't matter how, doesn't matter what it is, whether it's in life or whether or not you're riding on your motorcycle, you hit a little patch of freaking wet water as you're coming into your freaking driveway and you freaking slide down and freaking fall for a second. It's like me, that's exactly what the fuck just happened as I was coming home. So freaking knee, that's it. Just a little scrape on my knee. Ain't much. Besides my pride. Pants. I like these pants, but now there's a hole in these pants. Fuck it. I'm okay. So, saying what I'm getting at is life, motorcycle, such as maybe you're on a skateboard, anything. If you fall, no matter what, pick yourself back up. You can do it. Freaking, I had a feeling too. I saw the motorcycle. This guy has a motorcycle. I see it every single day when I go out to get mine. I seen him at the light before I even pulled in. I was all like, I would not be surprised. And it just so happened, pulled in right behind me. He's like, you alright, dude? I was like, yeah, I'm good. Shit. It ain't the end of the world. Sure, leg hurts a little bit, but I'm good. So, if y'all good, if y'all pick yourselves back up, if y'all make sure you just keep moving forward in life, do it. No matter what happens, just keep moving forward. Focus on moving forward, pick your ass back up. Click that link below and just get in, man. Laters.